Hello from the Mosaic Stadium parking lot. We're here for the second day of Frost Festival in Regina. Second day for us, third day for the actual festival. And today is the day that we're doing the big Frost Pass day, which means you do have to pay for these locations, but it includes a lot of things, and among them, skating at Mosaic Stadium. We have our skates already, and we're gonna do some skating at Mosaic Stadium first. The tickets cost $17 for this day, but it does include a lot of things. So it does include entrance to Mosaic Stadium for skating, and then Confederation Park, which is like in the middle kind of, and then also Evraz Place, which is over there. From what I've heard, you do get a lot for the cost of that admission. So cozy in here. All right, should we go check out the rink?
Yep.
Oh, here it is.
Ah, so cool.
So cool.
Oh, look at that curling too.
Yeah.
Proper curling.
Ah, this is awesome.
Oh,
and
yeah.
it's not actually cold today.
Like, everything about this is so nice.
Awesome. All right, should we get going? I'm so excited.
I'm a little scared.
Why?
I can't skate.
Yeah, you can. You didn't
Oh,
even
wait,
fall
so-
last time.
Did I not?
No.
I did. I must have.
Come on. Skate up, mister. Whoa. Brand new skate. This ice is so nice. It's so clean and smooth.
Yeah, you can't get good ice like that these days. You know? It's global warming and all.
Hey, it's a real thing. He has mismatched skates. Very smart. Oh, I think they do. He was grabbing skates from like a bucket that my family has, and he grabbed two different skates. So one of them is my dad's, and the other one is my cousin's. That seems to work for him. Whoa! Look at him go! I'm going too fast. I have to re-teach myself to skate every time I go.
What, you're going backwards and you've been here for 2 minutes.
Crash into somebody.
No, I'll let you know. I'm more worried about me crashing into somebody.
Curling game. It's pretty cool.
It's a Saskatchewan team, it's a Manitoba.
Well, dear, shall we check out the rest of the Frost Fest? All right, good to go. On to Confederation Park, I think. Should we go to the ice sculptures and stuff now?
Yeah, it's really hot in that area.
Yeah. So amazing. I'm so glad we saw that. Didn't know that was supposed to happen. Didn't expect that at all. So what did you think of that? You've never seen a dance like that?
It's very interesting. Yeah. Very interesting dances, very good symbology.
Yeah, the speaker was very impressive with his information about each individual dance. Very, very interesting. So now we're inside Evra's place. We wanted to go back to Confederation Park, but we want to see that after it's dark. So we're going to do this first, and then by the time we get back outside, it's going to be dark. And all the lights and stuff will be out, so that'll be cool. But now, there's apparently like an indoor light installation that we're going to check out. Come on, it's cute.
Ready?
Yep. You guys, this is a giant light ride. Carl just told me that he doesn't know what a light bright is. Now, this is like an ancient toy way back in the day where you there's a light and what looks like a big fat computer, and then you put a piece of paper with a design on it, and then they all have little holes that you can stick these light bulbs in wherever you want. So you create a picture out of light, and it's really pretty.
So is this one always orange?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is like a heart almost.
Oh, yeah. Somebody made a heart and somebody wrecked it.
Okay, let's see. Fix the heart.
I like learning to be a surgeon playing this game.
There. See? It's like a heart. Yay! Light bright! I wonder what's inside the igloo.
600.
Oh,
Oh, I think it was like a bar.
it is. Very blue.
I wonder what the inside of an igloo would look like.
I think this is way bigger than an actual igloo.
Yeah, yeah. You know, igloo actually aren't dome-like either.
Really?
They're, I think it's called concave.
Oh.
So if you were to hold.
Oh, they have glowing light bulb drinks. That is so cool.
It is very good.
I love that. Oh, here are some more of these welded fire pits. Wow, look at this slide. So going on that later.
All right, give them a round of applause.
Are you gonna go on it later?
No, I think I'm low enough. I think I'm good for this slide.
And then we have a beautiful snowman.
Awesome. Good show. Give you a good lecture.
Yeah, isn't he funny?
On a normal day, that's really cool stuff.
Yeah. Just in comparison to the, giant sword over there. There's a snow maze! We still have to do a snow maze.
Right, is this the here?
Yeah, I think so. Ooh. Which way? Straight?
I know, just a loop. No, this way.
Okay, I'll follow you. this is bigger than I expected. We made it out of the maze. Okay, I think it's time. Slide time. Are you sure you're not going to come on?
That's a very cool slide.
Fine. I'll go on by myself. Changed his mind.
I'm here from Morocco.
Wow, you shot off of there.
Let's go again, let's go again.
This is awesome.
This is a very cool festival. So what's Tuesday?
Oh, you'll have to wait and see. Well, that concludes day 2 of Frost Fest for us. Today was awesome. I loved everything. Like, I couldn't believe how good everything is.
Granted, expectations were low for a winter festival.
Well, yeah, they were a little bit low actually, but they have surpassed them immensely. We have 2 more days of Frost Fest.
We do, or?
Yeah, we do.
Oh.
We do. I mean, there is a whole other
Tuesday.
week. There's a whole other week of the festival, but we have 2 more days that we're going to. So stay tuned for that.